Good day, everybody. This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on how to do your Canadian smoke design. You need your door face or any cloth you want to use for it. You need your fiber. This is fiber. You need your needle and thread, and you need your cap that you are going to place it on. Please, if you don't know how to sew cap, there's one of our videos that shows how to make turban. But you need a yard if you want to make something like this. If you buy a yard of door face, you divide it into 4. The one of it, you can use it to make this design. What you will do is that take your cloth. Look at the way I rule it. You rule it down. Each bust is 2 centimeters. That is 2 by 2 for each bust. You can decide that your own bust will be smaller more than this. Then you take your pen, you rule a line, cross. When you rule one, you leave a bust in between. Then you rule the second one. Then you leave a bust again. You rule the third one, you leave a bust. Then you leave a whole line after the first box. Then you rule your X again. One X, you leave one box. Another S, you leave one box. That is how you are going to do it to the end of the cloth. But when you are ruling your cloth, make sure that there is a space. You leave a space beside the edge of the cloth, the two sides, like this, so that you will be able to join it together after you are finished doing it. Take your needle and thread. Now we have drawn the bust. All what you need to do is that take your needle, put it at the junction of the box, draw it out. Make sure you secure the first needle so that it will not move. Then move up to the next. You are going to pass the needle through the 4 joining side. This is the last one. Then what you do is that immediately you finish, draw it together like this. You can see it. When you draw it together, it will give you something like this. Draw it together. Draw it together, then secure it with your needle and thread. Now after you secure it, then let this thread stretch again down to the bust, the empty bust. Then secure it. Then start the box up to the next box, then down again, you can see. Then draw the thread again. It will fold. Secure it with your needle and thread. You can see it. Then to the next one, Stretch the thread again. Secure it. Then move up. You can see it, draw it again. Then secure the see how it's going. And that's how you are going to be doing it, box by box. You can see it. It's giving us this design. As you are doing it like that, the design will be coming out. See, I finished making it. The next thing for you is to take your needle and thread and join. Take your needle and thread, turn it like this, turn it outside. Let the front be inside. If you want to sew it inside. That is what I mean. I'm going to use my needle and thread to join it before we put our fiber. You can use your sewing machine to join it, or if you don't have, you can use your hand to join it. I'm going to use my hand for you. Then the next thing is to bring it after you have sew it like that. Turn it to the right side. Turn it to the right side. Now I've turned it. Then now put your fiber inside. Put your fiber inside. And I'm putting my fiber, you can see it. Push it inside. You can see I push the fiber inside. If you want it to be more full than this, you put enough fibers. Then you take it and tack it to your cap. Make sure you secure the mouth. This mouth, secure the mouth. Push the mouth together. You can tack it. Tack the mouth. You can see it. Then put it on your cap and tack it. Tack it with your cap. You can see it. I've tacked it on the cap. I've tacked it